Alright, I talked in the last video about like a more succinct way of carrying out the, let's look at that actually. This like filtered query, I guess, is what you would call it. This struct of parentheses operators. So I figured I'd go into that example here. The reason I say it's kind of specific to the data structure is it uses this lambda, the boost lambda _1, in order to like inject a placeholder, I guess. So rather than having to write all that extra struct operator overloading, all that other stuff, so what I did is I created a double set. I threw a bunch of numbers in it, and then you can write this query in one line. So you can take any of the doubles between 50 and 200 and print them out just like this. And if we build this, compile this, see how succinct it is, right? Like there's hardly any extra stuff going on here, and it's very powerful. And here I'm printing out 80 and 100 because those are between 50 and 200 here. If you look at the Boost library documentation, you'll see there's a bunch of different ways they're doing these similar queries here. There's a way of like getting everything greater than 100 by passing in this unbounded flag and that kind of stuff. So I just figured since I mentioned in the previous video, I'd go through the example really quickly. In the next video, we'll talk about updating and modifying records. Again, it's kind of similar to a database where you can do similar operations like that. See you in the next video.